Good day, people. So today I was just hanging around in the yard and I figured that with all the rains that have been going on, I think the grass is in need of some work. As you can see, it's getting to be quite the jungle. So I think today we'll do a bit of housework, garden work as it were. Well, let's get into it. Before we do that, let's do some lawnmower B-roll. So you see what I'm up against today, but I swear to you, by the time I'm done, I am done, this is gonna be one smooth yard. Yeah, and guess who's helping me today? I got my daughter in the house. There she is. I think we're in business. Let's do this. Damn, this gets so tiring. Feeling so hard. Gotta take that jacket off. Let's do this. So that was that for the day. The lawn is looking clean and cut. That is my man's job for the day. And well, who brings a drone to a lawnmower cut? Anyway, fellas, subscribe to the channel if you are not already subscribed already. Like it, share it, leave a comment below. I would love that. And well, if you don't like it, scrap it if that is something that you're into. And I'll see you next time. I'm out.